Hello everybody. Countdown has just begun for India's grandest business gathering, IPSI's flagship event, India at the Reg 2047 or Bharat Ki Maharathi, the 4th edition. Bharat Ki Maharathi is not just an event, it's a mission to empower Indian entrepreneurs with everything that they have thought about or they need. Knowledge, sales, networking, funding, government support to being globally visible. As the head of partnership and alliances, I believe every entrepreneur is a Maharathi, a warrior of ideas, innovation and impact. So you know what, I would like to put my views in 3 answers. 3 frequently asked questions. How does Bharat Ki Maharathi stand out from other startup events? A lot of events, they showcase, the startups. But a Bharat Ki Maharathi goes far, far beyond this. We are a one-stop solution or an ecosystem for supporting entrepreneurs, not only with visibility, networking, but also with, funding, access to government scheme, awareness, mentorship, networking, and under not 1 but 21 crucial verticals. So it's just not a showcase or it's just not a growth platform. Here it is complete hand holding from where you are to ideation, to launch, to funding, to registration and to whatnot, going from local to global. What role does government play in this? We here ensure that we work in tandem with government schemes and policies that directly affect entrepreneurs. Where businesses and policies walk hand in hand, I'm sure a nation walks double the speed ahead. So our role is nothing. It is to make sure that the entrepreneurs are aware of the latest schemes, the opportunities. They can access them seamlessly. They can maximize their growth and potential and of course contribute themselves for an Atmanirbhar Bharat or a Viksit Bharat 2047. And what is the larger vision behind it? Nothing. The larger vision is our local entrepreneurs go global. From local to vocal to global. So we want to see local businesses becoming global brand. And as I said, every entrepreneur is a Maharathi. So with this initiative, we aim, to create or contribute for an India, which is not India where startups are not just surviving, they're thriving, they're scaling, and they are also leading the world market. So what are you waiting for? I, as the head partnerships, is going to be there. Register yourself today. See you there at Bharat Ki Maharathi on 30th November 2025 at NDMC Center, New Delhi. See you there. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.